Here I have HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the secret code. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's use the phone's dialer right here, and let's enter the following secret code: asterisk hash 284659 hash asterisk. As you can see, the project menu just pops up. Here you can choose Restore Factory. Let me tap it. And if you would like to accomplish the hard reset operation, so if you would like to erase all personal data, customize settings, install apps, let's tap OK. And right now the device is performing the factory reset, so let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Let's just wait. As you can see, reset is successful, so now you can choose shutdown. The device is switching off. Now let's just press power key to turn back on the smartphone. Keep holding power key. Now you can release it. The HUAWEI P Smart is turning on. Let's wait a few seconds. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you can start easily activate your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.